Hey guys, I'm Sarah and this is my top 5 DIYs. Today we're going to take a look at my favorite DIY bed builds. Alright, let's get started with number 5. Sean from Stone & Sons Workshop designed a simple platform bed for his 4-year-old son. Now, this is a twin, but he has plans that can easily be altered for whatever size you may need. He built the entire thing in true DIY fashion with just a few sheets of plywood and tools that you probably already have in your garage. Even though this is a simple build, he still took time to add some playful details using dowel rods that are just fun. Up next is number 4. Going from one end of the spectrum from a twin to another with a king is Jen's mistake. She made a king-size bed frame using solid white oak. Her attention to detail and precision are just a few of the reasons this build made it onto my list. But my favorite part would have to be the paneling and floating design that she added to the headboard. It really gave the overall look of this piece an expensive and custom feel. Number 3 is Brad from Fix This Build That. He went a little bit bolder with his bed frame, making his loft bed a bright blue. Now, even though this is for his son, he understands that all 3 of his kids will end up playing on this thing, so he needed to make sure it had enough strength to stand the test of time and 3 energetic kids. I really love that he screwed the ladder rungs in from the inside to give the final product a clean and smooth finish. Number 2 is Rob from Further Fabrication. Now, he was commissioned by his sister to make a mission-style bed with enough space to add a trundle mattress underneath. I really like this bed. I like the style, the added storage space underneath is a huge bonus, and I like that he made his own brackets instead of buying some. Every bit of this is homemade. Coming in at number 1 is Chris Salomone with his DIY modern platform bed. This is awesome, and it's made entirely out of plywood. The attached nightstands are by far my favorite part. Chris shares that if you have enough patience and time, you don't need a lot of tools for this build. However, he was lacking in both, so with the help of all of the tools and his buddy Johnny from Crafted Workshop, they got this giant beast glued up and looking like $1,000,000. If you need a new bed and have enough space for the glue up, it really is a doable project. Alright, do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please do that now and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 for the Power Tool Week in Review with Rob, and every Saturday at noon for the next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.